This was a face mask sample I was provided with. Let's see how we do. For men, cut a 10 by 7 fabric liner, and for women, a 9 by 7. You'll need 2 pieces of elastic.
Okay, so measuring out the elastic, 7 inches for women and 8 inches for men.
Sew elastic or cord to the short ends of the fabric, allowing for a 1/4 inch seam. Make sure to keep the elastic flat when turning it to sew to the opposite corner. After completing the one end, turn the fabric to the other side and repeat. When sewing the elastic on, make sure you're sewing to the front of the fabric. You'll see why in a minute. Now you're going to sew the 2 pieces together with the elastic sewn on the inside. Make sure to leave a 2 to 3 inch opening. Now you can turn the fabric the right side out and seam up the 2 to 3 inch hole. Press down with your hands, or if you have the time, you can iron. Fold down 2 pleats and stitch over, using back stitching on both ends. Once you've completed one side, do the opposite, and you're finished. It will fit a little bit large and it will shrink